This is Lori, and I'm at the National Hardware Show here in Las Vegas, and I'm at the Sika booth here, and I have James, and he's got a really neat alternative here for instead of using cement, something that works just as well, but a lot easier to use.
Very true, very true. It's basically, this is called Sika Post Mix, and it comes in a bag like this. It weighs 33 ounces. It's the equivalent of two 50-pound bags of fast-setting concrete mix. So 100 pounds or 33 ounces. You can carry this in the trunk of your car. You're not getting cement dust bags everywhere. So it's quick, it's easy. You pull it out of the bag. I'd like to take the bag and fold it like this and put it next to my hole because it's a nice little trash bag. Always make sure you have your scissors handy because after you break the seal, there's a component, a B component. You're going to follow their directions, roll it like a toothpaste tube, break this seal right there, and then mix for 20 seconds. Cut on the line, put that in there. I'd have my post in there, and I just pour it around the post. Wring the bag out. And again, has its own little trash bag. It's great.
That is fantastic.
If the post was in there already, you would just hold it plumb for 3 minutes. In 3 minutes, it's got a level set. 3 minutes, you can let it go. I was going to say one of the key advantages of this in cold weather areas of the country, you can use it down to negative 22 degrees.
That is fantastic. James, to find out for more information or where can a person purchase this, where can we go?
Sika.com.
That is fantastic. Thank you so much, James.